I wasted my 20s so you don't have to. I'm going to go through the biggest mistakes that cost me my 20s and exactly how I turned things around. So trust me, you're going to want to stay to the end so that you don't learn the hard way like I did. Everyone told me, just get a degree, just work hard, you'll figure it out. That's exactly what I did in my 20s. I thought I had time to wing it, time to stumble into my career. Just work hard, just clock in, just do what your managers told you to do. Just be a good team player and they will come to you and reward you with a promotion, with a raise. Wrong. I thought the time that I would put in would magically result into stability, promotion by just showing up. But here's the truth. Year after year, I thought things would change. I woke up and realized I was turning 30, that I had nothing to show for it. It was 10 years, y'all. 10 years of working hard, but not working strategically, not working smartly. 10 years of ignoring what was happening. Yeah, I saw people were learning to code. I saw tech when it was coming up. All these big name companies, IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook was just starting at that time. It was clearly in demand. STEM? Yeah, I heard of it, but why didn't I do it? Because I thought I'm not good in math. They're not gonna want someone like me. I couldn't even level up when I was in college studying psychology. I saw other graduates get high-paying jobs while I was only offered a retail job. I could have moved a little bit differently. I could have made a mindset shift because right now I actually work less hours than I did back then for double the income. When I finally changed my mindset, things started to click. Of course, in the moment, it felt like I was doing the hardest thing in the world. But once I locked in on those skills and stepped outside my comfort zone to talk to people and network, when was the last time you've been to a conference? I was able to break into tech by networking and talking to the people at a startup. And there wasn't any people there that looked like me, but it didn't stop me. And that's how I was able to change my life. And when they made me that job offer, it felt like $1,000,000 at the time because I never made that much money before. Learning new skills that I didn't even think I could do. Imagine that. Imagine you locked in, study those skills, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, even medical. Make sure it's in demand. Do the research and find out what's going on and save yourself years of struggle and being broke just because you thought you had time.